Welcome to Systemair, where we have been supplying fresh air to the world for half a century. Our story begins in the middle of Bergslagen, Sweden, in the small town of Skinnskatteberg. It was here in 1974 that it all started, with Gerald Engström based on an original product idea.
At that time he was a young engineer heading up a sales company, and they had a small product which was a fan that you would put on the backside of, for example, computers. And he saw an application in Sweden for that. And here in Sweden, as we're heating a lot of houses with open fireplaces and stoves, you have particular heat in one room, but you need to transfer it to another room. And for that you can put this kind of fan in the wall between the rooms, was his idea. And he came back to them with this idea, and they said that actually we're not interested, but if you want to commercialize that, you should start your own company. And so he did. And that was actually the foundation, the start of our company, with an inline duct fan called the K-fan. It is the technical innovation, and it's also a little bit philosophy. It is changing the way you're treating or moving air. Instead of sucking in from the side and putting it out from the top, where you have to redirect it back into the right direction, you make the straight through, which means that you're taking away obstacles, energy losses, and it's actually today also becoming a part of our philosophy. Why make it complicated when you can make it easy and simple, which is more efficient? And that is what is so special about the K-fan for us.
Systemair has come a long way since then. The K-fan is still going strong in numerous dedicated applications, and the product portfolio has grown over the years. We now offer a complete range of products for all types of ventilation systems, from residential to commercial and industrial ventilation. Or, as we say, we create fresh air for the world.
We create better air every day worldwide. That's Systemair's mission. We know that if our products are installed in a building, in a house or a hospital, we make a difference. If in a school we have good indoor air quality, the children can perform better during a whole day. That's our why. We make a difference in people's daily life. Systemair's vision is we will be your most efficient and helpful partner in mastering your indoor air quality challenges. The difference between a mission and a vision is that a mission is our why. That's why Systemair exists. That's why we go to work. The vision defines what we strive for, the future, what we want to aim for. And in Systemair's vision, we put the customer in focus, which I really like.
The company started with just a few employees in the 70s, before expanding to 600 in the 90s. Now, with over 6,000 employees worldwide, Systemair is a global company, trading in more than 130 countries.
What made Gerald Engström and his company success, I think, was about that he got the awareness that he needed to build a really good and strong team, and then to rely on successes that they built together. They took one step, saw that it was successful, and then the next step. So we started quite early with export and then also with acquisitions. And I think a little bit empowered by success, they dared to take more steps and to really build their own success story.
Today, Systemair provides ventilation in many spectacular locations, such as the Eiffel Tower and Europe's first underwater restaurant in Norway. Our products are found in the Copenhagen Metro and in several road and railway tunnels throughout the world. We also ventilate important buildings such as hospitals and schools.
What is very specific with our industry is that when we have done a good job, no one knows that our products are installed. They will just feel the effects of a good indoor air quality. And there is a kind of motivation and sense amongst our employees to be part of something bigger that's actually contributing with something positive to not only society, to the company, to everyone around. Of course, working on a daily basis in a group of people that is looking for the same goal and doing it with a lot of fun and with a good motivation on a daily basis, that's a dream job.